Hello, good morning, everybody. My name is Fabio, and I represent the Edge Company. Um, we start from that. The Edge Company has been founded by professional aviators. I was in the military. I was, among other duties, chief of flight safety, taking care of initially the bird strikes, all the safety-related issue, and then after leaving the active duty service, I just, together with others, founded the Edge Company. Uh, so the knowledge behind all what we did is pretty important, and then we use this knowledge to drive the development of an AI obstacle detection system. That is, this is our mission. So we want to make your flight safer. The system we am about to talk about find application, already found application in different sectors. Airports, of course, urban air mobility is going to be the next targeted sector. What we're talking about, this is the problem. So everybody looks like, especially in the urban air mobility, advanced air mobility is taking care of cooperative obstacles using ACAS, using ADSB solution, and stuff like that. Who takes care about non-cooperative obstacle detection? Amongst which we have birds, we have drones, we have aircraft, we have people. So whatever is going to be an obstacle that can be jeopardize safety flight execution. And I give you a right example. So next year they announced there's going to be commercial operation between Paris and Charles de Gaulle for the Olympic Games. Now, I guess everybody knows that there is a stringent regulation for eVTOL that they have to have landing place in case their engine fail. Now, who's going to take care about safety of this landing place? What if they have an emergency and land in this place that is completely unmanned? You have an obstacle. So behind or beside the problems you have, you create another problems. So the solution we develop, of course, is a AI-based proprietary technology. We have 9 patents worldwide, and is implemented from Bangladesh to North America, and is based on completely computer vision, artificial intelligence, proprietary technology, and is able to detect, track, count, classify obstacles. When we're talking about birds, not only we classify that is a bird, but we classify the bird species, because this is pretty significant and important to make the system working properly. So how does it work? We use cameras, high resolution cameras. I guess we are the only one in the world that we use and we treat 4K resolution videos at 25 frames per second. We are pushing hard. We are going to 5K cameras and increasing up to 60 frames per second. This is pretty important for tracking all the object. So it is a distributed model based on the site of the deployment, and this camera continuously scan the area. They are connected to a centralized computational device. We use Lenovo HPC with NVIDIA GPUs, and with which we are partners. Then the detection and our algorithms start working. So if something moves, the system detect it, then analyze, discard what is not the target for the system. Then we start the classification pipeline. So we say, okay, this is a bird, this is a drone. And if it is a bird, we go on the other classification pipeline to determine what species is the bird. Then we count, and then we position in the 3D using just one single camera. The situational awareness model is the interface between you and the system. Is a web application, so everybody can connect if they have their own credential. Those are our partners. We have been accelerated by Thales. We'll start an acceleration progress next week with Ferrovial and for the urban air mobility. We are technical and commercial partner of Lenovo, NVIDIA, and SGS, and Ital Sicurezza is our system integrator. Why the BCMS? Because we enhance safety. There are no electromagnetic emissions, differently from radars. And of course, we save the wildlife, because our mission is, yes, we make your flight safer, but we want to save the birds anyway. And this is another slide that shows that the system has not been developed by just computer scientists, but operational personnel, biologists will be there will employed to develop this. And the difference between other systems is that if you set a system, usually stays like that, and then for example, birds get habituated. We are following the situation as time go ahead, and so we are always ready to respond in the best possible way the situation. So basically, if you want to see the system, we are at hole 5. You will have a live view of the system if you visit us. I thank you very much.